Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. As a person who has had a lot of trouble with sore, tense muscles in my shoulders, I am so excited to tell you about this Clearbody Hemp Relief Cream. When I apply this cream to my skin, it feels very soothing and has a really nice cooling sensation. I find for me personally, it feels really good to the tension in the muscles of my shoulders. We've also used this for my husband's feet and he really loves it as well. So definitely has multiple applications. Another thing I love is that just a little bit of this cream goes a long way. So I know that this is something that's gonna last for me. And it smells amazing. I absolutely love the smell. The packaging is small and super convenient. I can take it with me anywhere. And I just really hope that you are gonna love this hemp relief cream as much as I do. And that's my point of view.